Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by stabilizing posture and sensing the muscle. Place fingertips along the chest to feel fiber orientation and breathe out to reduce tension. Then perform single 1-2-second isometric squeezes, pressing the arm toward midline without moving the shoulder. This recruits motor units. Once done, pause 2-3 seconds to let your nervous system reset. Make sure to use light effort first. You want local twitching from targeted recruitment rather than whole arm movement. Next, refine timing and intensity so twitches are visible and isolated. Use half to 1 second pulses, adjusting force between 20 and 60% so you hit small motor units. Once done, slow the return phase to allow the muscle to lengthen and resensitize. This prevents compensatory traps from taking over. Make sure to breathe out on each contraction and breathe in on relaxation to stabilize core and avoid neck tension. Repeat in short sets of 8-12 pulses. To finish, perform 2 controlled holds of 3 to 5 seconds to integrate the pattern into your movement. Once done, test small dynamic movements, like a light horizontal adduction, to confirm the chest responds. If you don't feel a twitch, reduce effort and concentrate on fingertip feedback. Sometimes a slight external rotation of the shoulder aligns fibers better. Make sure to stop and reassess if you feel sharp pain, numbness, or persistent cramping, and seek professional advice for persistent problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.